Hello, welcome to this class. This is teacher Jacob, and let's start the class. To say welcome to this class, and what else? This is Avellanes School, the countryside, the best way for learning English. Today we're gonna have class with sixth grade. This is the class that we're gonna do, and uh, this is teacher Jacob, and today we're going to study page 83. 83. This is going to be about reading class. Remember, reading class is excellent for understanding a new language. So let's start now the class with on page on page 80 84. Yeah, we're going to study is page 84. So don't forget it's mandatory to write. Yes, it's necessary to write the date. Okay, so don't forget that. We're going to study. We're going to study our reading class with sixth grade. And today we're going to have reading class. And today it's August. August 3rd. So don't forget to write here August 3rd, 2020. Okay, here you can write. Because remember, later you need to give me all the readings comprehension. So you need to take like a photos. Not now, later. Okay. All right. Today, remember, we're gonna do four exercises. Exercise one is basically look at the words that you don't understand. So remember, you're gonna give a circle and uh, write. You're gonna write a circle the words that you don't understand. For example, work. I don't know. Pairs. Why? For example, I don't know what it means. Why? Maybe I don't know what is markers. So here in the reading only, I don't understand what it means only. Perhaps residence. I don't know what is it. Over. I don't know what it means. World. I don't know. Great. Scuba diving. I don't know what is that. So for changing, I don't know, showers. So activity one, circle the words that you don't understand. Remember, it's possible that you can write like here a list of the words that you don't, or perhaps here you can write whatever, or on your notebook, so you can go there and we practice. You are gonna practice. So you need to write the words that you don't understand in this part, or on your notebook. Remember, something that you need to do is to look for the words at the dictionary, the meaning, okay? Don't forget that. Okay, activity two. Activity two, it's underline the verbs. Remember, verbs are very important. So you need to circle the verbs in this part. For example, uh, Blondie is. Is a verb, so underline is. Is a verb. Is one more time. It what else? And let me see. Rent. Yes, rent. Let me see another. It's go. Go is a verb, so underline go. Go is. What else? Are. Has is a verb. Has. This has is a verb. Are a verb. And what else? Let me see. Here is a verb. Find is a verb. Can could be a verb. Okay. So you underlined activity three. It's you are going to read after me. So remember, the idea is that you repeat, that you can pronounce, that you can read with me. Okay. All right, so that's what I want you to do. It. I want is you practice the pronunciation, and then you can pronounce. Right? Let's go. So repeat. So you're gonna do three activities: listen, read, and speak. So let's go. Reading. So out and about. Reading. Bondi Beach. Work in pairs, look at the picture and say why this place is popular. So why this picture is popular? Why? All right, let's go. Continue. Bondi Beach is only 7 kilometers from the center of Sydney. It is very popular with tourists and residents. It is famous all over the world for its great surfing and scuba diving. The life under the sea is amazing. Very slow. Continue. For surfers, there are changing rooms and showers for surfers in the historic Bondi Surf Pavilion. From there, tunnels go under the Queen Elizabeth Drive to the beach. You can rent surfboards and wetsuits on the beach. To learn to surf or go to one of the surf schools. Let's go surfing. It's a popular school. To eat, there are kiosks. There are kiosks on the beach, and the pavilion has a cafe. There are also good cafes and restaurants in the streets behind the pavilion. Shopping. Don't miss the Bondi Beach Market. Every Sunday, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., the market is beside Bondi Beach Public School. You can find cool beach fashion here. All right. So activity two is just listen and repeat. Now, activity three, four, let's read, but this normally, okay? So let's read like in Spanish, okay? So let's read from here to eight. One, two, three. Bondi Beach is only 7 kilometers from the center of Sydney. It is very popular with tourists and residents. It is famous all over the world for its great surfing and scuba diving. The life under the sea is amazing. For surfers, there are changing rooms and showers for surfers in the historic Bondi Surf Pavilion. From there, tunnels go under the Queen Elizabeth Drive to the beach. You can rent some soft boards and with wet streets on the beach to learn to surf. Go to one of the surfer schools. Let's Go Surfing is a popular school. To eat, there are kiosks on the beach, and the pavilion has a cafe. There are also good cafes and restaurants in the streets behind the pavilion. Shopping. Don't miss the Bondi Beach marker every Sunday 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. The marker is beside Bondi Beach Public School. You can find a cool beach fashion here. All right. So is the reading this is the reading class. And now let's go to the exercise 4. It is to make the comprehension. Okay. So this is a beach and this is the sea. And they are a lot of tourist people and tourists and residents people who likes to go here and swim and have surfing and scuba diving a lot of them practice that. So now let's go to the comprehension. Skim the guide and number the topics in order that they mention it. So according to this, what is the first, what is um, the second activity and continue. All right, so A, information about Bondi Beach marker. It's one, two, it refers to one, two, three, or four. All right, so you need to know where is it at the end or at the beginning of the reading. So perfect. So information about Bondi Beach marker is shopping. It means it's at the end. So you're gonna write it is gonna be 4. Why Bondi Beach is famous? Why? And so you need to know where is why. One is 2 or 3. So you say famous. So Bondi Beach, it's why? Because it has 7 kilometers from the center of Sydney. So it's very near and it's good for scuba diving and surfing and so on. Okay. So that's good. So it is number Bondi Beach, number 1. And places to eat. So according to this, so kiosk also, you write kiosks and facilities to for surfer. Is this here? Okay, so you making the connect. You can write these surfers, and that's all. All right. 3. Scan the guide and complete the information. The distance from the center of Sydney to Bondi Beach is it. So the answer here you're gonna find here. It's only 7 kilometers. 7 kilometers. Okay, so you write here 7 kilometers. Where you can change your clothes. Where? It's in a place. So here for surfers are changing rooms. Where? Changing rooms. Okay. So that's what in the history Pandis or well, it could be the answer too. So showers, they're changing rooms and showers for surfers in the history bonding surfing. So in this part, in this area, you can take a room, changing room and showers in this and bonding surf pavilion, pavilion, pavilion. All right. And the name of a popular surf school is. So here, if you notice this, here it has a school. To learn to surf, go to one of the surfer schools. Let's Go Surfing is popular. So you can bring a surfboard. Let me see. You can bring subboard street beach to learn to okay. So they are tunnels go under the Queen Elizabeth Drive to the beach. You can bring subboards. So where a specific the name of this surfer school. So the name of this surfer school